the overall experience was, it went well. They were friendly, they were very knowledgeable, and they just made sure that we were kept in the loop with all the process of the ordering, the measuring, and everything. As they let us know what's going on step by step. The installation crew was nice. They knocked it out in one day. They knocked it out in one day, and it was looking real nice. They put all the caulking, made sure everything was locking. They put the locks on there, sealed it, and everything. I love it. It makes the house look better. The value of the house looks way better, and plus we save a lot on electricity. We save over $100 a month now because it went down a lot. Before, the old windows, all the light was coming in, the heat was coming in. But with the Paradise exterior windows, everything is nice. It saves a lot of money.